Hi guys, so today I'll be looking at this DesertWest. This is a USB hub. It's a USB 3.0 times 4, it's a Type C. It also have the SD and TF RJ45 HDMI super speed data transfer 9-in-1 hub, and we'll be seeing what comes in here. So this one I picked up from Amazon. It was like around 50 bucks, and let's see what's in here. So the only thing that comes with it is the hub. There's nothing else in here, so this is all empty. And I think over here we have a pouch where we can keep the hub and some paperwork. So this is something that shows, you know, how many ports we have, but let's take a look at the hub itself. So this is a USB-C connector. So if you have the new USB-C connectors on your laptops, you know, I have a MacBook with a USB-C connector only, so I had to get one of these so I can have power supply and the HDMI output and all that stuff. So with that, here's where you can connect your power supply and still feed power while you're connected with the USB-C. 3 USB ports. Then we have a HDMI. We have an Ethernet RJ45, and then this is the micro SD card and the regular SD card that you can put in here. And then we have another fast charging USB. So we have another fast charging USB slot. So overall, it's pretty nicely made. Kind of surprised with the quality. The build quality is pretty good. It's made of plastic, so it's not metal. It looks like a metallic, but it's not really metallic. But overall, I think the cable strength looks pretty good. You know, this thing well made. Has a golden connector at the end. So overall, I think it's pretty nicely made. So let's put it to test. Okay, so here I can connect to my USB-C, and it automatically recognizes it, which is good. Then I have my HDMI for my monitor. I'm going to connect that. Duplicate. And now I think over here I have to change the input to HDMI. And there it is. So you can see it's working good. I haven't tried the other ports, but I'm pretty sure, you know, I just wanted to show you guys how to connect it and how to use it. But if I want to feed power supply to my device, to my computer, charging it, all I can do is just connect the power supply right here, and that would pretty much be charging my laptop at the same time. It'll be giving me the display, and I can use this device. So I think overall I'm very satisfied with this device. So guys, hopefully you like the video and it helps you buying one of these if you're looking into one. But this is a much better quality. There's a lot of cheaper ones out there, but I think the reason I put this a little expensive one is because it's going to last me a lot longer. Better brand, you know, well made. So you get what you pay for. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.